Namaste, my dear friends. A very common question that people ask nowadays is how much time is needed for me to recover from my illness if I go to yoga therapy? The answer is not quite simple. The answer depends on a wide number of parameters. The first one, very simple, is how simple is your illness? If it's a mild back pain, if it's a mild neck tension, yoga therapy can resolve these problems in a few days. Whereas if it's long-term chronic conditions like things like diabetes or hypertension or asthma, then yoga therapy will need a lot more time. And it's even possible that it does not completely cure your illness, but actually helps you to manage it in a very good manner, because some illnesses do not necessarily have cure from yoga therapy. So one aspect of how long it may take is actually the nature of illness. The other aspect, which I think is a very important aspect, and probably more important aspect, is the quality of your own commitment to yoga therapy practice. When people commit to a yoga therapy practice from their heart and do it with sincerity, not in a narcissistic way, but in a very disciplined and respectful way, respecting their body, respecting their space, then yoga therapy will offer quicker solutions than if we are doing it without a discipline, without a commitment, and just doing it mechanically. So how much of energy we are investing from our heart can also determine how quickly the treatment can actually start to show benefits. However, just to give an idea, I have seen in many cases yoga therapy start to show significant improvements already between 3 to 4 sessions between the care seeker and the care provider. And these 3 to 4 sessions means that the yoga therapist is offering a practice to the care seeker, and the care seeker is practicing it in their house, coming back for a review session. A new practice is evolved, and the care seeker is practicing this new practice for a few days or a few weeks, and then coming back to get the next session. And the next session there is another improvement, a further improvement. And when this process starts to go on in a very smooth way, between 3 to 4 sessions, which is usually spread out between a month to 3 months time, there can be significant improvements. However, this is not guaranteed because, as I said, it involves a lot of different parameters. The discipline of the practitioner, the severity of the illness, family circumstances. Some people could start their healing journey, but some other circumstance happens in the family that is a much more severe crisis than their own problem. This happens a lot to mothers whose children start to get other problems, so they have to put their treatment on the side and focus on their children's well-being. So these kind of things decide also the outcome of practice. But I would say that if you are sincere in your practice, any time between 1 month to 3 months, there will be definite improvements in your health condition when you start yoga therapy. Namaste, my dear friends.